Hi there, I'm Mukbang Man. Today I'm gonna be eating noodles, this pastry thing, and a Faygo. So, I'm gonna start. So, everyone's probably been watching the news lately and seeing everything going on with, Trump and Nancy Guthrie, and the thing that happened in Canada, which is really sad, too. It's sad that the shooter did what he did in Canada, and then the police chief wanted to care about, calling the shooter a gun person instead of a gun man because he's transgender. Which is stupid because who cares about the pronouns of the guy who shot and killed a bunch of people? But, then you realize it's Canada, and Canada sucks. So, yeah. I mean, they have a thing where they encourage people to leave their keys and stuff at your door, at the front of your door, so you can you can you can let the killer rob your house easier. Also, you're not allowed to own guns in Canada.